What's up, everybody? I'm coming to show you a video of my male Dumeril Boa, and we're gonna see if he'll eat a live baby chick. And Maddie got the baby chick right here. Let's go ahead and put it in, and let's see what he does, if he'll eat or not. This is one of my males, and let me go ahead and show him the chick. Uh-oh, he's like, what is this? Oh, he's gonna go the other way. Dang, if they gonna act like that, you already know they probably scared of this. They ain't even gonna eat it.
That thing's tiny.
You don't wanna eat this chick?
He smells good.
Uh-oh, he's smelling interesting. He's like, what is this thing? What is this thing you brought me? He's checking it out, checking it out. Oh, he might go for the kill shot. That's the one that only eats live only, rats. He won't eat no frozen. He's like, oh, it seems like it's alive. Can I get any closer to it to check its heartbeat out? Dang, how close you gotta get to him? You checking his heartbeat out? Oh!
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, he gotta get real close to make sure to check it out. Alright, this is a live feeding video. Well, Dumeril Boas like to eat chicks. Oh yeah, got him.
You feel like shaking it a bit.
Oh, he got him. He got him good. See, this one only wants to eat live for some reason. I don't know what it is, but this male, he won't eat frozen. If it's dead and it's just like wiggling in front of him and stuff, and even if you got tongs or whatever, he won't eat it. He's like, I don't care about this thing. It's not live. I put anything live in front of him, he'll eat it. Well, the rats or mice. This first time for him to ever eat a chick. He got some pretty patterns. I've been putting him with this female, trying to pair him up, and he has been pairing with her, but I haven't seen any babies yet. But thanks for watching this video. I'll give y'all some more live feeding videos since I don't got no live feeding videos, and we'll see what's gonna happen. What snake or what animal's gonna eat live chick, a baby chick. Alright, well, I guess we'll probably wait a second, but we probably won't be able to see him eat because he gotta readjust his mouth. Y'all be real still. I try to be real still when I'm doing this because if he sees you and stuff, he'll get distracted and be like, oh, what's going on? Some people watching me over here? Oh yeah, you got baby chick to try out. He's like, oh dang, I get a new food item to try out, Dad. Let me try this. Yeah, it's probably gonna take him a second. No, 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 no. Where is the head? Where is the head? There you go. You're getting to him. Oh, he's gonna take forever. Oh Lord. Let's see. Is he gonna find the head? Come on. Well, I guess I'm gonna go ahead and make this video short instead of waiting. If he already had the head, I would go ahead and let y'all watch it, but it'll probably take a minute for him to get it right. Oh, he might be able to find it. There we go. There we go. Let's see. Bam. Oh, he got it. Yeah, that's the head. Go on, get it, get it. You know you want to eat that chick and try it out. He's like, dang, I get some chicken to try out today. Chicken, chicken, chicken. There we go. He's getting it. There we go. He's gonna get it. Yeah, he gotta work his way up. Alright, I guess this is gonna take forever probably for him. Lord, this is gonna be a good video. It's gonna take forever doing this. Alright, so he's trying to get it right so he can get it down. Alright, I guess I'm gonna go ahead and let you go. So we can, it's gonna take a minute for him. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much. Peace.